What is that?
Nah, it probably blocks it.
Yeah, no, it came up.
What?
Oh.
Did we miss it? Oh, well, Mum wants to join the live.
Yeah, she can do that.
Well, click it. What's that little red thing down the bottom? Under... That's not Mum, that's Joe.
Yeah, that's alright.
Are you inviting... Cool.
Is your volume turned up?
I don't know, probably not.
Oh, I can't reach. We need to. We're new to this. We're so new to this.
Ah, shit.
Yeah, Toots, you should get on YouTube and live
Hold
stream
up.
from there as well.
Oh, yeah.
All right, how we going?
Can you hear me?
Audio check. Oh, loud and clear.
Where's your video?
Oh, hang on, I don't know. Wait a minute, I'm trying to get rid of the chat box thing.
Oh, yeah, that's a dab.
Oh, a dab.
That's definitely
Wow.
what it is.
Hang on.
It's not like one of those, but it's close. I think that's what
I hate being technically challenged.
Well, you got in.
Yeah, but now I can't get rid of the bloody keyboard thing to get down to,
What keyboard thing? What are you
you
laughing
know,
at?
when you type in your... Oh, God, if people join now, they're going to have the biggest laugh.
That's all right.
You know, your keyboard, when when I typed the word yes, my keyboard came up on chat, in the chat thing. And now I can't get rid of it.
Can you just click on the part where your video is and
Can
it
you
will
share
go down?
screen? Can you share screen on this thing?
I can see you two, that's it. I can't see my thing that I'm on.
Well, you can...
And
Oh.
Oh, what have I done?
Oh, no, what have you done?
Oh, yeah, they're both there. There's Joe.
Yeah, well, Mum,
yeah, but I can't see.
just click on your screen or something.
I am clicking on my screen and nothing flipping it. Oh, there you go. It did. It happened.
You can switch your camera on if you want.
Yeah.
She's trying to...
Yeah, right. Just
Oh,
hang on
yeah,
a minute.
Fun, do
Just
give
settle,
it.
pedal.
All right.
Can I do one thing at a time?
Maybe Joe can help. Hey, Joe.
No, it's okay. I'm
Oh,
done.
you need
I'm on.
you need some battery soon. I'm at 66%.
Yeah.
No, I don't have it on.
Oh, you're very soft. We can't hear you very loud. Is that us or?
Hey, Google, volume down.
Try again, Joe.
Is that what you look like, Joe?
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can hear you now.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've got a...
How you going, Joe? Yeah, this
Hi,
is
Joe.
Joe. Meet Joe.
Hi, Joe.
Joe the dolphin trainer. Tiny's a dolphin trainer too.
Yes.
How are you, mate?
Yeah, been better. It's just been a bit crook over the last 24 hours or so.
Oh, that's no good.
One of this, what they call the 4-day bug.
Ah, is that the man flu?
True that. Hang on.
Oh, you got it working, Mama Lee.
Yeah, I did.
Hey.
That time. Yeah, hello. Hi, Joe. I'm Leanne.
Hey,
That's
how are you?
also known as
Yeah,
my
good.
mum.
Also, Tiny's mum.
Oh, now we got zeros on YouTube.
YouTube.
Oh, that's
Interesting.
because they're all going to jump over to here now to get a few laughs.
Well, yeah, maybe
possibly.
they-
We can actually invite guests. There's a setting that came up. You can invite guests on YouTube.
Yeah, when you set the live stream up, you can actually invite a certain number of guests.
On YouTube?
Yeah. New feature.
That's cool.
Oh.
Very new feature.
Ah, okay.
This is all very new to us.
Yeah, very new to us.
Hi, Naomi.
Oh, who are you saying hello to? I don't see any names.
I'm saying hello to Naomi Joyce, a.k.a. Vicky Mountford's daughter.
Oh, is it?
Where's that?
Yeah,
How do you see that?
Naomi. Because her and I are friends on TikTok and she's on my screen.
Do you have your own screen?
Wait,
I've
what?
got,
What's going on here?
it's just got Naomi Joyce with a wave has joined. So don't you have friends and I have friends, so they've joined my live.
No, you're in our live, aren't you?
Hang on,
yeah,
hang on. Don't challenge me, Tarn, because I think I'm right.
Well, I'm not saying you're wrong.
Wait, so are you both on your own live streams now?